Hey, what's up guys, it's Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing a super fun, super dramatic brown smoky eye, and I'm really excited about it. My friend is doing her senior pictures, and this was just like a look. I was like looking through to see if I could find any makeup ideas for her, and I found this on Pinterest, and I'm like, yes. So, I'm not doing a full face today just because it takes forever and I don't feel like it, and I'm actually not mad at my skin today. I'm a little oily up here, but that's okay, that's okay. So since I'm not doing full face and I really want like the dramatic like shoop, I think I'm gonna go get some tape. I'm just gonna line it up. So I'm just gonna brush up. And I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. It's my favorite concealer ever. I'm just going to use this to cut under the brow. And you guys let me know if you like seeing my brows in process, or if like you just want me to do like a separate brow tutorial for people to watch if they want to watch it, and then just not do my brows in my videos, like pull a Nikki tutorials and just like cut out and come back in with brows. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, and I'm just gonna use that same concealer to prime, and then the brush I'm getting ready to blend this concealer in with is the Real Techniques contour brush. And now we can get started on our eyeshadow. This hurts. I'm taking these off. Sorry, not sorry. It hurts like right here. And then I think I'm going to go in with this shade up here. Right there. That is Silk Cream. Yeah, that's Silk Cream. And I'm just going to go in with this as a transition shade. I'm using really soft blending motion since this is just a transition shade. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia palette brush, and this is just the blending brush side, and I'm going to go in right here to this shade, and this is Pooter. So this is Pooter. I don't know why that's the shade name, don't ask me. And I'm just putting that right below that transition shade to start deepening up the crease. And I don't know how you guys feel about this, but I'm gonna try my best to start like cutting my other eye out, so I'll do it on this eye and show you, and then I'll probably just keep the camera rolling just because it's a lot of work to like stop it, do the other eye, start it again. But I am going to start cutting the other eye out, then just going back in with Silk Cream and blending as I go. I always do this. And then I'm going to go in, surprise, I have another one, with my other Anastasia palette brush. So I think I'm going to mix these two shades together here. These are Buns and Mocha. So these two right here. I'm just going to put that into the crease as well. Okay, and then I'm just pulling that combination of Mocha and Beans and pulling it into the outer corner of my lid. So then I'm taking this Real Techniques shading brush, take shade Central Park. It's this really, really dark brown right here. And I'm gonna mix it with Soda Pop, right here. So I'm just mixing those two together. and very carefully placing those onto my outer corner. And then just going back in with that combination of mocha and beans and very gently blending that out. Honestly, guys, I'm so bad with like shade names. Like I forget as soon as I say it. And I think that's gonna be awful. Like if I ever decide to like grow up and really get into like makeup for money, like I want to be a music teacher, but before I wanted to be a music teacher, I was like, I really want to go to cosmetology school and be a cosmetologist. I mean, like I still love doing makeup, so if there ever comes a day where it's like I decide to continue furthering my makeup career and I make my own palette or something, like shade names are gonna be awful. It's gonna be like, this color is orange, this is purple, this is forest green, this is aqua. It's not gonna be anything creative. Like this is Jada. No. Yeah, Jada. And this is Pool Party. Come on now, that's awesome. This one is Twerk. Yes, ma'am. Oh, wait. Change of plans. So I'm gonna take my concealer and cut my crease. A moment while I flip my mirror. And honestly, for me, the secret to a good cut crease is like using concealer in tiny amounts, like not getting it all the way up there. Thanks. And then I'm gonna go in with this Charity Cosmetics flat brush and shade Twerk. Yes, ma'am. I'm so excited. Actually, like literally, I'm so excited. And I'm going to spray down my brush. There's a fan going. Just like that. Okay. And go into that shade. Oh no, 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 no. Don't do that. And put that. Just went in with like a damp brush. Now I'm gonna go in and do the shadow and then spray it. Let's see how that works. Oh yes, ma'am. Okay. Okay, and then we're just gonna blend a little bit right there. I'm going to take a angled flat brush and get rid of that. An angled flat brush and go in with mocha and beans right here and smoke that out along my lower lash line. I'm gonna grab, what's that shade? Beam, which is right here. I'm gonna pop that into my inner corner and onto my brow bone. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. eyeliner brush and pop this. And now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. liner and do a very thin line. And I'm going to take my eyelash curler. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. This is just a black mascara. It is actually my favorite drugstore mascara. Actually my favorite mascara at the moment because I don't use high-end mascara. I don't see the point. This is Anastasia Liquid Lip in Allison. Okay, so this is it. Then I'm just going to take my setting spray and just do my eyes. And this is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up if you did. And comment down below what you guys want to see next. Subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.